G'day everyone, it's Al from Off Timber 4x4. Just giving you a bit of a rundown on what we've done for the old number 5 Army trailer. We picked up this for Anusha, just something nice and light to carry and build a little bit of a quick getaway kind of camper trailer as opposed to taking the big one we're building. Some of the things that we've done is obviously we've bought it as is. We've modified just under the leaf pack ever so slightly so we can fit the 37-inch tyres, which Anusha can probably show you now. And in doing so, we've also just added this folded stainless steel flare, obviously just to cover those tyres. The other thing that we've done is this trailer actually comes with a tailgate mod to it. When these are made from factory, they're actually one sealed unit. This previous owner obviously made up this tailgate, which we're kind of just working with at the moment. Got plans in the future, we'll probably take this tub off and change it, but in the meantime, a good friend of mine helped me weld on these latches here, so that way we've got a little bit of extra support on the inside and just some stopper tabs. At the moment we're just kind of cleaning it up, getting it ready. We want to use the Raptor coating product just to cover it all, give it a bit of a nicer finish. One of the other things that we've done, and we'll show you once it's actually complete or the Raptor's dry, is we've got some Bud's Customs tub racks, and we've just put some Rhino racks on top, so we'll essentially put a rooftop tent on here. And as I said, it'll be a quick little light getaway trailer for us of weekends for the Jeep to tow. And yeah, so we'll just keep you updated in terms of what we're doing and how we're doing it. At the moment, we just gave it a bit of a soapy bath just to give it a bit of a clean before we sand it back, and then apply some Raptor coater. Back again. In terms of the product itself, this is the Raptor Tough Protective Coating. We chose to go with black just because that's what we want to do for our project. However, there is a tintable version. This is the 4-litre kit, and I'll just unbox it here and show you what you get inside of it. You get 4 of these, so that's the 711 milliliter Raptor Protective Coating. You get a measuring cup, and you'll need that to obviously put the right amount of hardener in each bottle. So how it works is for every bottle you obviously put a portion of hardener in, give it a good shake, and in terms of application you can either choose to roll it. It comes with this roll-on kit, or you can obviously elect to put it on an air compressor on a gun and spray it on. For our project ourselves, we're actually just going to roll it on and give that a shot just to see what kind of texture comes out. And yeah, stay tuned. We'll see what it looks like.